Prank-A-Thon's first episode will feature you first air horn pranks. CC required. Starting number 10. Okay, let's get featuring number 9. Of course. Number 8. Let's go with the number 7. As you can see, she's boom.
Why would you do that?
Boy. Alright, let's go with number 6. Scream like girls. Let's go with number 5. Wake up! Number 4. People scared. Number 3. Starts talking on the phone. Enjoy. Number 2. Faints into the couch. Number 1. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Prank-A-Thon or Prank-A-Thermal. Well, what are we gonna say? Today we're gonna be showing smack cams. Starting with number 10. Number 9. Hey.
Smack cam.
Boy, you just got whooped. Number 8.
Smack cam.
Alright, number 7. We'll be showing. Snap. Yeah, but cheery. Boy. Number 6. Showing.
Smack cam.
What? Oh! Gina, I'm gonna
Pause. Number 5.
Smack him.
That was great to see everyone helping that girl. Number 4.
Joe Lord.
Doink. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1. Let's go. Yeah.
Cam. Yeah. That's it!
Next time. Sup.